Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my tolobifi anwamo recipe. So tolobifi is cured beef, but for this recipe I did not use beef, I used lamb. Okay, so this is cured lamb. All right, so let's talk through the ingredients and get started. So here I have sliced one massive onion. It is massive, very big one. Okay, I'll divide that into two, and I have 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, and I have here diced cured mutton, a pinch of salt, 3 cups of jasmine rice. You can use any rice that you have available. All right, so 3 cups, as you can see there. And this is the right cup for measuring dry ingredients. So I'll first start by cutting my cured mutton into small bite size. All right, so this is homemade. Okay, so after cutting it, I'll then soak it in water. Why? It's because this is high in salt. It is very salty, so you have to soak it in water for about 10 to 15 minutes to get rid of some of the salt. All right, so next I have my pot on the stove, cooker, or whatever, and it is on medium heat. Always cook on medium to low heat, never cook on high heat. If you do that, you forcing your food to cook and it will get burnt. All right, so into the oil I've added half of the sliced onions. As I said earlier, is going to be divided into two, so I'll keep frying those onions in the oil until it caramelizes. Okay, so it turns into golden brown, just like that. So at this point it's good, it's enough. All right, so I'll scoop everything out from the oil and then incorporate some flavor into the oil by adding in my diced cured mutton. So yeah, then I'll fry this in the oil as well until it turns golden brown color as well. So yes, we are cooking it and then caramelizing it as well. So all I'm doing now is infusing the flavors in the mutton into the oil. You can also use beef if you want to. All right, so at this point I'm removing it from the oil. Next, we're going to infuse another flavor in our oil. So I've added in my teaspoon of fennel seed. All right, and then next is the diced onions. The fennel seed added to this, oh my goodness, is taking the flavor and then the aroma in this food to another dimension. I'll allow the onions to fry in the oil until it caramelizes or turns into golden brown colored. At this point, I've washed my rice and then I'm adding that in. Okay, so always make sure you wash your rice for about 3 times, or you wash it until the water runs clear. Okay, yes, so I'll give this a very good stir. And then add in the tolobifi, the cured mutton. Okay, so right at this point, I've noticed that the rice wouldn't be enough. The 3 cups of rice wouldn't be enough for today and tomorrow. So I've added in 1 more cup of rice. In total, I've used 4 cups of rice. I'll give this a very good stir and then add in some water. So I'll be adding 4 cups of water to this. So the ratio is 4 to 4. 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. And this depends, okay? You don't have to do this because the every rice is different. Every brand is different as well. So please read the instructions that comes with your rice. All right. Now I'll taste for salt. The salt isn't enough, so I'll add in a little bit of salt. Yes, and one more is you should taste salt in your anwamo. Anwamo de senchine intrimu a enye de ntiyama enchine intrimu. Right, at this point, I'll cover this with a parchment paper or baking paper, and then put the lid on, turn the heat down, and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, so in 15 minutes back, ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells divine here. Okay, so at this point, I'll give this a very good stir, cover it, and then allow it to cook for another 10 more minutes. Okay, so it's 10 minutes already. Let's come back, check on our rice. Look at that. So my anwamo is done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me check for the crust. Yes, the kanzo. Oh, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. The kanzo, the akaka, the shishie. This is the best part of anwamo and jollof. Yes. Okay, so at this point the rice is done, but I've decided to leave it on without the parchment paper for about 3 minutes, and yes, we are ready to go. So now my anguamo is ready. Harper is standing right by me. She's hungry. So yes, I have to dish this out and then she can have dinner. All right, so anguamo is not eaten on its own, okay? It's not enjoyed on its own. So it is served with some caramelized onions, some sardine, our Ghanaian hot pepper sauce, mokoyirawa. Yes, so the mokoyirawa, the pepper sauce is actually made with fresh tomatoes, onions, pepper, and then sometimes a bit of ginger. It depends. If you love ginger, you can add ginger to it, okay? And then there we have the anwamo itself. That's the braised rice, the oil rice. All right. So now it's time to dish out. Food is ready. Let me go and get some of the crust. The kanzo, yes. This reminds me of when we were kids. I used to fight my brothers over the kanzo. It's only anwamo kanzo and jollof rice kanzo that I like. I don't like plain rice kanzo. No, they can have it if it's plain rice. But once it's anwamo or jollof rice, no, I'll fight them. Yeah, so yes, this is what I'm talking about. Kanzo, it has a lot of name. Kanzo, akaka, shishie. This is the best part of anwamo. Yummy. Right, so at this point, my caramelized onion is going there. A little bit of hot pepper, mokoyirawa, heat womb, and what ye come on. Supported by sardine. And if you love canned beef, yes, you can add some canned beef to it. But no, I'm not a fan of canned beef now. And there I have my fried egg. Look at that. This is Ghana flag fried egg. You have the yellow, the green, the red. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. And to all my supporters, thank you all so much for your support to this channel. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you all, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.